Hey guys, we're a bit out in the snow. We have just been shopping for dog food, and bread and stuff. And my son is going ahead, going with the groceries. He's walking all the way down there. See if I can zoom in. I have a window for John. But this is the surroundings right now. This is the field covered in snow. And look at this beauty. White blanket. Yes, it's beautiful. Winter in Denmark. A lot of snow. A lot of snow. I'm not very good at filming and throwing snow at the same time. Have to wait till we come to the park. Snow! Whee! But I promised my son to be careful. He said he would only go ahead if I promised him not to fall. So I better be careful. Because it can be quite slippery. And even if the pavement look like you have to look where you walk, because there can be ice spots that you don't notice, and then you say wee doink and hurt your ass. So but I will flip so you can enjoy the snow. A green top in the middle of the snow. Let's see. What is this? Dot, 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 dot. Ooh! The snow is smiling to you. Now I have wet fingers. But I do have gloves with me. But I have to control the camera with gloves on. But it's, even though it's snow and it's cold and it's refreshing to walk out. It gives another sense of energy. Like when it's summer and you like the sun, the snow and the cold and winter has the same healing effect, if you would call it that. Because it's just as beautiful in the winter as it is in the summer. Oh, I'm talking about looking where you step. Look from this angle. So, in you go. Playing with snow, so no one falls if they don't see that. But that's what I mean. Like these big, they look big. But as you can see, and look at the bushes, you can see how many inches. I don't know how to measure it, but you can see it. Or if we do like this, the camera is not all the way down because of the but almost. Like that's very beautiful. That's a very big what you call Christmas tree. It is a Christmas tree. It's I don't know what the English word is for it, but I can't remember. Forget it. It's a Christmas tree. It's much easier. It's the right one. But so if you see me look that way, it's because, like when you're driving a car, look out the windshield. Now I'm just walking on my 2 feet, being my engine, and have more control over this engine sometimes than I have when I'm in car, because, well, I do have control when I'm in car, but you have more control over your body. Having car is like putting an extra body on. Sometimes it's safer for me to be in the car, to be out here, because my legs get wobbly, wobbly, wobbly. Hey, oh, and then you walk by some. Talking about pareidolia. Great, a lot of pareidolia. Like here, the branches and the snow makes a naked woman. Oh, I have to go in. If you see, asphalt, headlights. Imagination, I have a lot of, but it was still pareidolia. It was just snow and a bush. A female bush. Oh, makes yourself laugh. It's a good thing. That's pretty early. Let's see if we can. If you spot any more pareidolia, then link it in below and take a screenshot and send it. If you spot more pareidolia, funny pareidolia clips, that could be funny. And I will go through the park, so you also can see that our lake is about to freeze, or partially frozen. Chop chop. I have to find a, yes, here. But we are used to it in Denmark, used to snow, used to this. So it's nothing wrong with the weather, it's how you dress. That's why I look like a Michelin man. 3 layers of clothes and hot socks and rubber shoes. Look! Ooh. And the best thing about going out in weather like this is when you come home and then sit down under a blanket and I don't want to light up the fireplace yet because it's not that cold, but it's only, what was it said earlier today, is 0.0, so it's not so cold. But the best thing is a hot cup of coffee or a hot cup of tea or a hot cup of chocolate, or all 3. That's the best thing about being out in a weather like this. Hey, just, hey, a little shop for Christmas from the pizza. Yeah. Oh, cool. When I get some money, I will go up here and buy some of this cool stuff. Oh, they are nice. Boards for cooking. Look at this. sailboats. Oh, gorgeous. And gnomes, where you also can create your cash pay here. Okay. What's that? Oh, stone. Oh, they are gorgeous. Well, when I get some money, I'll go definitely up here.
Hi, Blokken.
Hey, hey! Skal I have et kakkel? Skal I have et kakkel? Some of the young people around town, smiling, snow, happy. But I'm looking forward to if one day we all meet, whether it's in America, Canada, or here in Denmark. I'm looking very forward to this. I really wish I could share the experience both of summer here, spring, fall, and winter with you all physically, but and get your mind out of the gutter. I mean, having fun. Like now, it could be a fun thing to make a snow fight, and I will show you where it could take place. Down to the park. This is the field you see near the lake in the summer. Hi. Now it's just covered in snow, and imagine someone like Nops and Diddles and Danielle and Daniela and Wyatt and Justy and Amy and Jenny and Jenny, both Jennys, Jared and Laura and Sandra. I'm walking in this right now. Had a winter picnic. I'm on my way to that bench. As you can see, it's deep snow. But basically all of us could have an awesome snow fight here. And fun. And winter picnic, it will be a basket with hot cocoa and hot tea and hot coffee and Christmas hunting hearts that we make here in Denmark. I will remember to find a picture and include it in the video. It could be so awesome. Let's see if I can make a spot here. You can see the bench is there. Let's see. This is how much snow. I just need a spot to sit. But as you can see, oh, my ass is planted. You can see. It's steep, but it's beautiful. I will walk down there to the lake so you can see. Even the bird. But getting my ass up of here. Let's move some more snow. Now I have to be careful that I'm not gonna fall into the lake. You can see. What I was eating before, it's because look at the birds' house. They have even snow on their roof, on their little roof. In my mind, I'm thinking of putting a, I don't know, I cannot do it, but what if you put a little Christmas tree in every little house so that all the birds also can celebrate Christmas? I have to be careful to where I step, as you can see. There's a bit of a hill, so I don't plop in the water. I think it's a bit cold, especially with a lot of clothes on. You can see part that's not frozen and a part that's frozen, but it's not ready for ice skating yet. I don't think it will be, unless it gets, we have a couple of nights where it's -5, -7. Otherwise it wouldn't be safe, because the whole lake has to be solid frozen to do that. Look, the trees have made painting in the snow. That tree, the leaves are falling off. I will pause for a minute and take a picture. 2 seconds. And I'm back. I just took some photos because it's so gorgeous. I'll go to the path because there was a bush under the snow. My foot got stuck. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. If you all remember the stream I go to in summer and spring and falls, this is so gorgeous too in the winter. I will take a picture. Be right back. And I'm back. I was just standing on the bridge right there, taking some pictures. I will show you here and here. But I will find a place where we can sit close to the water and you can hear, and I can take a sip of my coffee I have in my bag. I like the sound right here, so it will be here. There's so many branches there. Okay, I will have a stick up my ass. I like the sound. Unpleasantness, you need to. If you want to experience beauty, you have to accept some unpleasantness. I will see if I can put you where. And as you can see, I'm sitting in the snow. Whee! And putting snow on my own glasses. And listen to it. I will get my back and put you in the snow. So I have some beauty to look at. And I remember to bring water. I remember to bring my fluffy. I have that in my bag. But I also this time brought coffee. So a nice cup of coffee staying there. So Tears in coffee in winter snow. Yes, I look like a goblin with a top hat, the ears sticking out, a big fluffy, I don't know what you call this, cloth, and a cup of coffee, and the nature sound. Cheers. Oh, I will flip you so you can enjoy the water, nature, and sound while I shut up for a couple of seconds. That's me making noise. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, sorry, I moved the camera too fast. But it's beautiful. As you can see, being close to Earth and feeling the energy from the Earth, no matter the season, is relaxing. I will try to flip the camera so you can see what I see from my point of view. And free concert from the birds. I could risk that branch. I will try to zoom in. All that snow would fall to my head. But, well, a risk I'm willing to take for the beauty. It's gorgeous. Look at between the trees. It looks like a heart. Sorry, the camera is shaking. But that's my arm. Actually looks like right here, if you see, right there, like the one you hang on Christmas tree, the string, and then the heart right there. Gorgeous. Well, hey, sweetie, but don't hide behind this knee. No. Well, I better stand up. Ooh. Actually, if you think about it, I'm beside water and lying in water because snow basically are water. And I will put you here because me standing up in this position, I have to have my bad knee in a certain way to stand up. Ooh. But Leaves are falling off the trees. Så gammelt. And you heard how noisy the water was over there. Try to listen. I love that. It actually like a band makes different sounds with the same instrument. Nature does that too. So you can see. Hey, here you can see. I'll see if I can, without you dropping in. Can I borrow that tree? Ah, okay. Not that one. That one? Okay, I borrow that one. See here. It's not for skating, even though it looks like that, but it's not. It's, you see, not for ice skating. Ooh. Ow! It was just me getting up. You better stay on that branch when I walk under. No jokes today. Thank you. You can see it. Remember, see how tall the trees are, and on top of every tree there's a layer of snow. Also up there. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'll try to zoom in. I think I will pause for a minute and then take a picture. And back. Oh, you see? A little bench for resting. Also, in snow, I will make a ass place. Just a little space. Just listen to the birds. Det er okay. Jamen, du er fin. Jamen, jeg ved det godt. Jeg har haft godbidder i lommen, og jeg har ikke flere. Og så lugter jeg stor hund. Ja. Yeah. Jamen, jeg har ikke flere i lommen, lille skat. Det er jo det, jeg plejer at have hundegodbidder i lommen.
Vil hun have dem? Har hun fået nogen af dem?
Nej, hun har ikke fået nogen af dem, men det er fordi, jeg selv er hund, så kan hun jo lugte, at de har været der, ikke?
Men hun tager nemlig ikke ret mange godbidder.
Nå.
Hun er meget kredsen.
Jamen, det har været de der, du ved, de der med de hvide med det der mørke inde i. Marvben, eller hvad det er.
Nej.
Så, men det er dem, jeg har haft i lommen. Hun har sikkert bare været nysgerrig.
Sæt det nu var noget, der var lækker.
Ja.
Nej, du skal ikke bade.
Nej, det er ikke badevand.
Nej.
Men fortsat god dag og god jul.
Tak og lige måde.
It was the dog right there. Note that I used to have a treat in my pocket. So it's, hey, I want some. It was all the way over to my legs. Trying to climb to my pocket. But nature, no matter what the season are, we even have the dark corners in the nature. Imagine this at night. Well, where I wouldn't go unless my son was with me, because me, I would say yee splat if it were dark. Here I can see, but imagine sitting there in darkness. Add to that and I have shown you how dark it gets in Denmark. As you can see, my footsteps. I'm walking, trying to walk back at the same, almost did. Hey! A little bit of grass in the green. A little bit green in the white snow. I need a picture of that. And I'm back. Oh. Hey, here you, Tweety bird. I think I saw a pussycat. Well, climb the tree, Tweety bird, and the cat won't get you, I think. I have hung seabirds in the yard for them here in the winter. So they have a little house in my yard where they can get food without being chased by either my dog or the cats in the area. So they can beat them, but the birds can beat them because they have wings. Food for everybody all the way around, all year. But I will put all these little clips together. Oh yeah, and I remember I have to find a picture of the Christmas heart ginger I was talking about before. So if I forget, don't get annoyed. The old grey cells on the top are shrinking. Ah, but I basically love to walk in nature, and sometime at home I will see if I can remember to catch it. I also, even though it's so as cold as this, I take off my socks and go out in my yard so I can feel the energy from earth itself up through my feet, and then in and then, you know, get the heat after that, but still get some energy from earth itself, foot to foot. Even though earth don't have feet, but in a sense it does. Oh, there was a big one. I was looking that way and going straight that way, and something made me say, ooh, you know, lost the balance. So I made it look, hey, Pareidolia, mountains, Smoky Mountains. I have to have a picture of that. There's a lot of padolia in snow. Or kryptonite rock, or space rock. It's only the imagination that sets the boundaries. It's gorgeous. Let's look it from the inside. Cones, little cones. It looks beautiful. I think I want to take a picture of this. My aunt in heaven would love a place like this. It's gorgeous. The snow is falling off the bridge. Oh, I have to walk over here to show. That's the tree that fell that summer, or last summer again, I can't remember. But it looks gorgeous in snow. And now it's church bell time. It's 4 p.m. Yeah, 4 p.m. 1600. And right up there, behind those trees, are our current little house. But the church. Bells. It's just telling that it's 4 o'clock. But now I'm getting out on the road. So I will go around the village into our house and go in and take all this off and go under the blanket with some hot coffee. Sorry for me looking down, but I have to look where I go. Because it can be slippery. That's our bus stop shed, as you can see. Why don't I just flip the camera? I think I need my coffee soon. And what you saw before is the color of our buses in the country, in major cities. The one who drive around in cities, they are yellow. Here in the country, they are blue. They are blue. Oh. But I'm soon at my house, and it's coffee and edit time. Oh, and my arm. I have to shift my arm. Oh. And as you can see on my breath, it's cold. I'm soon gonna look like Rudolph. I don't have any reindeer horn, but my nose is on its way to look like him. Rudolph the reindeer witch. You're right. Oh. Oh. But this is look how the snow beautiful lie on the trees. I have heard you birds. They're sitting in that tree, I think. My little front yard Christmas tree. But ooh, I haven't taken down the window bell. I think it's too funny. But I hope you enjoy some nature, and if you like it, subscribe, thumbs up. If you don't, that's also okay. But try to go out in nature no matter where you are, whether it's what season it is. Of course, don't go out in a tornado storm or something, but in weather where you can go out and enjoy that little bit of nature. It's good for the soul. Love you all, and blessed be. Remember, my little pretty ones, love the tree like me.